Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Disclaimer, I am not a financial expert, so you should always do your research before you invest. That will make you more knowledgeable and will make you obviously sleep better at night. I only want to bring these things to your attention so that you are aware of them and you can do more research on them. That said, welcome to my TED Talk. So today we'll be talking about investment for beginners. If you are already into investments and business, then you already know that it is not for the faint-hearted and it's really rolling with the big boys. But if you have already decided to go into business and you are running an investment, then what I can tell you is act as if it is impossible to fail. Like, just go hard. Like, you know the way you behave in the office when the boss is around, then you need to do better than that, because you're doing this for you. This one is entirely for you, and I know we tend to be more lax when it is ours, but you really need to go hard for yourself. So in this video we'll be tackling 4 areas of investment that are a pain, that they are just pain areas in investment that as a beginner you need to be aware of. And if you are already seasoned in investments, then you already are aware of this, and maybe you can share in the description box how you tackle this. So these areas will be the business plan, demand, supply, and debt collection. So for the first point, the business plan. These are the steps and the day-to-days of a business. You really need to do your research, to have it in writing, and you need to know this in your sleep. Your business plan. What is your business plan? Don't just go blindly, and don't go by hearsay. Just do your own research and have your own plan. Your business plan is what will have the strategies for your customer acquisition, will have the cost of your businesses, the core values of your business, the target clients of your business, your preferred suppliers, and your source of labor or service for whatever service that you're providing. This one, like, you actually have to have a business plan. You need to have a business plan. I cannot overemphasize that. The second point is demand. This is the need for your product or service out there. People need to know that they need your product. It will you need to make it so that it is not about you, it's about them. That you're not the one willing to sell to them, that they are the ones needing this product. Your visibility. You need to create noise about your business. This you can do by running campaigns. You can have adverts running on your IG business page. There are reels, there's the TikTok. You need to make noise. You can also be partnering with content creators if you're in fashion or such business or industry. You can have fashion shows. Like, for example, you know the way Safaricom do these campaigns. I think their greatest investment other than infrastructure is advertisement, because they really make noise. Like, everyone, even if you're not using Safaricom, you are aware that there is Safaricom out there. Like, even if you have a router in your house, they make you feel like you still need bundles. That is visibility. They have created the need. That is demand. You feel the need to have that product. And now, that making noise is what will make people aware of your product or service. They say give fuel first, then expect heat. So make the noise, let people know about you. Then you can supply the need, which brings us now to the third point, which is supply. Supply is delivery, or you attending to the needs of the people by delivering a product or a service. And in this, you need to talk about the capacity of production, because people make noise and they advertise and they create a demand, but after that they are unable to supply the demand. They are unable to sufficiently and effectively supply the demand. So for example, you are you create noise about a dress that you're selling, but then when people start ordering, then you don't have the material, you don't have the sizes, you don't have the product basically. So a better way to go around this is ensure that you have enough supply before enough stock before you start advertising. For example, if you are in fashion, you can partner with you can make, let's say, 100 dresses in different sizes and colors maybe. Then you can partner with one content creator that you are very sure will convert into sales. So you give that person, and then they give you the mention and they post you, it like when they're going for an event, you are very sure that that will translate into sales, it will convert to sales. So when that person goes out there and then there is this noise about your business, about this dress, everyone wants it, they're asking where did you get it, you are already tagged there, they come to your page, you have 99 to sell. So you have sufficient supply for the demand that you have created. And always consider your return on investment. You making that one dress and just leaving it out there, then making one per order will cost you more than you mass producing, because exactly, you are producing more, so it will be less. Then the last point is debt collection. You are in business, that is the core value. You are in business to make money, because money is a yardstick that measures success. There's no other way. So people buy and they don't pay. This is real, it happens, and it's a real pain area for most businesses. So the ways to curb this is, first of all, ensure that there is substantial deposit before service delivery. Ensure that the client has paid a substantial deposit, so that even if they delay in paying, that you're not losing so much. Sorry, this is homemade dawa, the cold is back. The other way is to make regular follow-up with your clients, always, even before their time of payment is up. Just make sure that you make follow-ups, make in-person visits. When you are there, it is harder for them to say no. They'll, hata kama watakupatia kidogo, then you know that the debt has reduced. Include collection charges in the cost of the product. Make sure that it is included and covered there. Where possible, ensure that you have contracts that cites the terms of the contract, delivery, collection, everything, and what happens in case it is not paid for in a certain period of time. Engage collectors if you need to. Don't feel bad even if they are your friends. That is business. Separate personal issues from the business. Also sell products that have after sale services, because then they need the after sale service, and it will be so shameless of them to come asking for after sale services when they have not paid. So if you've sold them a machine and they need the machine serviced, then they will clear the debt that they already have with you, so that you can service their machines. The other trick is to meet them in less formal places. Like if you are meeting people for drinks out there or on a golf course, then it will be lighter. It will be more light or for everyone, and it will be easier to talk there. The cloud of the seriousness is not there. And also when they see that you have the same circle of friends, you people frequent the same circles, you have the same circle of friends, they will need to pay. They will pay, because first of all, there is that loyalty, like we are brethren, we are bros in this. And also out of maybe embarrassment, because like they'll be like, if I don't pay this guy, he might embarrass me in front of my friends. He may go telling people that I don't pay. But mostly because of the loyalty. And they're also more likely to give you business in future. Also, when you're collecting, always be amicable with the clients, because you also need business from them in future. Because even if not from the company, the person that you are dealing with may go to another establishment where they can give you business in future. And also as a person, you don't know when you're going to need a person in future. So that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Always believe in yourself, because the world takes you at your own estimate.